This is my image that I am going to edit to create my spot the difference task. The first thing I am going to do is change the colour of the man's shirt using the magic wand tool. So I'm going to select the magic wand tool and select the man's shirt. You may need to increase the tolerance to select a high percentage of the area. At times you may want to think about decreasing it if it's selecting too much. I'm going to change mine to about 32. I'm going to hold on to the shift key to select different parts of the pink. I'm going to make sure most of it's selected and any other bits that might give it away that I've changed the colour. Now it's selected, I could use the paint bucket tool to change the colour of the shirt. However, this is quite obvious. I want it to look subtle. So I'm going to go on to Image, Adjustments, Hue / Saturation. On here, all I'm going to change is the saturation. Make it quite obvious. I think I'm going to leave it like that so it's like a pink colour. Going to click OK. Double click anywhere else on my screen to get rid of the dotted line, and as you can see it looks quite subtle.